Yeah, here we go, here we go.
We coming back for the attack. No, we ain't strapped, but we got a gas, and we gonna put it on your lap. We gonna take you to a lap around the track, and we gonna not look back, cause we gonna go in for the attack. Yes, we strap, and we gonna make you look like a fucking bitch. Man, nothing but a snitch. I'm gonna put you in a motherfucking ditch. It's gonna hurt me as well. Call you Kurt. Gonna put you in the dirt, man. It's gonna hurt, but I'm gonna say good luck, Chuck. Man, I'm gonna run you over with my motherfucking truck. Got the bong all day long, singing these goddamn songs. Man, I don't give a fuck, cause I'm cruising down the road like a motherfucking toad. Got this wanna make believe slim. You better believe me, cause I'm gonna make you look easy like Wheezy. Cause I'm gonna make them start wheezing and bleeding, cause I'm a motherfucking human being. Man, he's smoking my bong, the volcano, but I still gotta go. And I'm gonna erupt, but I'm still gonna have it in ODOT. Going to the top, gonna make it drop, gonna do it on the spot, gonna let it a lot. And I'm gonna go to the top, get all the motherfucking fame in this game, putting all you niggas to shame. Man, don't you blame me, cause I'm gonna put you on your motherfucking knees. Yes, I got mad steez, and I'm gonna make you beg for mercy. And I'm chilling in Barry, gonna go to the motherfucking top, not let the beat drop.
Yo, check it. They call me Niven Blemmings, I came for a different setting. You wanna see this bitch go right down to hell? I'm going to fucking sell all my records platinum. Now you wanna see this stagnum? I'm running in the game like you calling me insane, but you wanna see click click and then you're going bang bang. On the ground, there ain't gonna be no one around. You're just gonna bleed under every hole in your soul. Ain't gonna breathe no more. You're just gonna bleed until you can't succeed. In the cemetery, what you gonna fucking be? Cookie Monster on my hand, bitch, you better see what I'm gonna fucking be. This is what we go and see. I'm coming in the scene for a fucking million beats. I'm coming in with a wicked flow, bitch, you're never gonna leave it, cause I'm fucking from the real world. I'ma fucking beat you face, and I don't care if you fucking call me a disgrace to this human race. Staple it right on my face. You know why? I don't care if you're a fucking baby. I fucking pick you up and shake you like a crazy. And I don't care if I'm fucking baby to rain me. I'm fucking running around like the Afghans too, wearing a Batman suit, screaming at all of you.
I'm copping my collar, I'm gonna get a motherfucking dollar, and I'm gonna give you a motherfucking holler, and I'm gonna make it look like your motherfucking shoulder, and I'm gonna roll you over, gonna scream rover, but I'm not fucking you over in this game. I'm just getting all the fame, gonna go to get this fucking shit, gonna make you look really plain, cause I'm falling asleep on it, cause I'm so fly. Yes, I'm in the sky, yes, I'm a nice guy. I got 2 eyes, and I'm about 10 seconds to go, but I got a mean flow, man, I'm gonna let it go right now, when I'm gonna say pow.
Beast motherfuckers, Niven Blemmings, NBNG, yeah.
John motherfucking Hipwell,
MCJH.